5250444. Ms. Jackson, good morning. Your name?
Good morning, Parithia Jackson.
And Little Owl, who do I have for you guys?
Hi, I'm
Yes.
Rose.
Wait a minute, somebody needs to start the video for Little Owl Treehouse.
Okay. Did it start?
Yeah, you're in the courthouse, huh?
Yes.
All right, what is your name, ma'am?
My name is Rose Milano,
What is your position with Little Treehouse?
office manager.
And you have knowledge of the facts and circumstances of this case?
Yes.
Ms. Jackson, do you owe this money?
No, I don't owe $600. I do owe $200.
For the Saints.
Are you in the courthouse right now, ma'am?
I am not.
I'm
I'm at a doctor's appointment with my son. I'm at an ABA appointment with my son. I could not cancel today.
Did we tell them that they had to be here in person, Jen, or not?
Judge, it was scheduled in person. I saw Little Owl was on Zoom. I did not realize she was in the building. So when Miss Jackson called, we told her she could Zoom in because Little Owl was on Zoom. I did not know she was in the building.
You got to show up in person. We didn't tell you didn't have to show up in person on this, did we? It's a small
No, I
claims
didn't.
action.
I didn't realize that. I've been in court all year and I've been doing it all by Zoom. So I did not realize that this wasn't a Zoom appointment, and I will admit that.
All right. By proceeding in the small claims division, both of you are giving up certain rights. You could hire a lawyer, you could demand a trial by jury, and if you don't like my decision, you can appeal. Do you understand that, Ms. Milano?
Yes, I do, sir.
Do you understand that, Ms. Jackson? Ms. Jackson?
Yes,
Who are you
yes, I
talking?
do.
Who are you talking to?
Like I said, I'm at an appointment with my
Who
son.
are you talking to? Who are you talking?
I'm talking to you right now.
When you look to your right, who were you talking to?
I'm at an appointment with my son at an ABA center. I'm still having childcare issues at this time.
Who were you talking to?
I'm telling you, the person that is with my son at the ABA center, at the autism center, he's at an appointment. They brought him out for a minute to me because I guess he was crying, and they're going back in now.
Do you wish to give up those rights and proceed here, or do you wish to give up those rights and proceed here, Ms. Milano?
Yes, sir.
I still might adjourn this, but I'm going to try right now. I'm going to ask you both to raise your right hands. You solemnly swear or affirm under penalties of perjury that the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got. Ms. Milano?
I do.
Ms.
I do.
Jackson? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Why don't you tell me how you come out to 600?
I have an invoice to, and actually, the boss, the owner of the thing had agreed to $430, and we had given her several chances to come in and pay that. And each time she was supposed to come in, she never showed to pay any of it. So now it's $430, which includes late fees, and it's also going to incur court costs.
Okay, let's talk about how much she had in child care expense there without late fees.
She was, let's see. It looks like she was $100 a week for her child because he did not attend full
How much
time.
was the balance how much is the balance excluding costs or late fees?
$430 plus course costs.
But what about the late fees? I want you to exclude the late
That's
fees.
included in there. It was $230, and then he included the late fees and brought it up to $430, and then add court costs.
Slow down. I want you to just answer my question. Forget the late fees for a second. Was the balance that she owed you only $230?
Yes, sir.
How much did you include for late fees?
He only included $10.
$10, how often?
He just added $10. That was it. So it brought it up to $430.
Wait a minute. Come on now.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so
listen to my
confused right now.
question. Wait a minute. You got to listen to my question. You got to be more specific. If she only owed $230 in childcare expense, he charged more than $10 in order for you to get the $430, right?
My original thing was that she owed $600. She never
Oh.
paid anything on that.
Ma'am,
I did.
Okay.
you guys listen to me very carefully. I want you to listen to me, please, Ms.
Yes, sir.
Milano. I just want to know what she owed for child care, not filing fees, not service fees, not late fees, just for child care. What was her
She
balance?
She owes $400.
No.
Ms. Milano, wait a minute. You got to listen to me, ma'am. You bounced all over.
I'm so sorry.
You said it was
Okay, my paper-
$430. And then you told me. Then you told me
My
it was
paper
$230,
says
and there were
$230.
$10 in late fees. $230 and 10 is $240.
You want her to come in?
Yeah, why don't you come in here?
Okay.
Where's that tablet?
Pardon?
Where's the tablet?
Oh,
Give me the tablet.
underneath. There you go.
Hang on.
Okay.
Who's that good-looking guy walking down the hallway?
My Jesus.
They'll be here in a second. We'll resolve this, Ms. Jackson, okay? Just bear with me.
Oh, thanks for bearing with me. My son is like having a fit.
I'm sorry. I really am. Come on up here, Ms. Milano. Now, I want you to listen to my question. First, you said 430. Forget about what you said.
Okay.
I want to know if you just include the child care balance. Forget the late fees. Forget the costs. Forget the filing fees. How much would she owe you if there was no interest, no late fees?
$200.
You said 230 to me 10 minutes ago, 5 minutes.
100, and then he had a court cost or late fees, which made $430.
How much are the late fees that you charge?
They must have been $10 per week, sir.
Well, they're not going to pay. How much did she pay? $100 a week for a child? Yes?
No.
Is that true or false, Ms. Jackson?
The original balance, so at this time, my son was no longer attending the center. I took him out because I couldn't afford to pay anymore. The balance was $600. I made a payment plan with them to pay $100 weekly. I paid up $400 of it, and then the last 2 weeks I did not pay. I'm going through a divorce, and I could barely pay my mortgage, so I did not make those last 2 payments. However, I never ran from the payments. I responded to every email. I
They
always kept in
can't
contact.
charge. Yeah, they can't charge. Do you realize how obscene that is to charge $10 on a $100 bill every week? I mean, I want to go into that business. I mean, I feel badly for people or companies like this that are not paid. Okay? But you can't do that. How much was the filing fee? Jennifer, I want you just to double check this for me. The filing fee was $48. Did you have any service fee, ma'am? No, she signed for it, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
All right. Well, I'm going to give them a little bit of late fees, but it's not going to be anywhere near. Is there anything else you want to say, Ms. Jackson?
No, I never. They know I've been in communication with them the entire time, and I've never tried to not make the payment. It was just the my
I
financial issues.
understand.
Understand that, Your Honor, she did say I just don't have it, and I did give her a couple times to, she agreed to bring in $200 on August 1st, and she did not at that time.
Let me ask you a question.
Yes,
How long was the bill outstanding for $200
the bill that I have in front of me was actually from November.
of last year?
Yes, sir.
All right, here's what I'm doing. Have I let everybody finish, or does anybody want to say anything to me here?
No, I'm into owing a debt.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, ma'am.
I said, no, I don't have to say, I don't need to say anything else. I do admit to owing the $200, but not the $600. That was my only issue on the paper.
All right. I'm going to go. Is there anything else you wanted to say? Anything else?
No, sir.
Here's what I'm doing. I'm giving you the 200. I'll give you 50 more in late fees, but you can't charge $10 a week. $48 in filing fees. The total's $298. Now, Ms. Jackson, you said you're going through divorce. I get it. I can set up a payment plan for you. Can you pay $50 a week?
Yes.
Starting when?
Can I start next week, not this week?
Yeah. What day?
I have to look at the calendar. I don't
Just
know.
tell me the day of the week. What day do you get paid next week?
Friday.
You get paid on Fridays?
Yes, I get paid on Fridays.
Then let's start it on the 17th. You pay $50 bi-weekly, okay? I mean weekly. $50 weekly starting the 17th. You have to pay it direct to them.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay? I wish you well. We're going to send you a copy of the judgment, Ms. Jackson. We're going to give you a copy of the judgment, Ms. Milano.
Okay.
Wish you both well. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye now.